Here's a riddle. What's rarely seen but sees all? It can soar through the sky and save the day, but it's also known to deliver pizza. Here's another hint. It can also be operated remotely or controlled by computer. It's not a superhero, though it has the power of flight and even superhuman sight. So what is it? A drone. Drones are the pizza delivery force of the future. Drones are devices loaded with sensors that fly or move with no human on board. They help us expand our reach and view the world around us. You might have seen them used for capturing video posted on social media. But even big-budget movies are using them to save on costs, risk, and push their creativity further than ever before. Their uses expand beyond entertainment, assisting with everything from farming to surveillance. First responders and emergency services are using them to perform tasks like tracking wildfires and exploring disaster zones. When considering how to effectively use or design a drone, you first need to identify a problem that needs solving. Consider an industry that interests you. Healthcare, fire and rescue, the food industry, and architecture are areas that are not only viable, but in need of technologies that can assist in their development. Think about who could benefit from the use of a drone. By using drones, whose life will you make better? Empathy is at the core of design. Empathy is the ability to share or understand another person's situation or feelings. As a designer, empathizing with your potential user can help your design to better address their needs. From a design perspective, what type of drone will be required? Similar to designing a car, you need to take the use of the drone into consideration. A car built for speed needs to be low to the ground, light, and have specific aerodynamics to improve performance. A car for towing requires a wider frame, additional torque, and attachments for towing. Drones are being used in ways that one might not expect. Home inspectors are using drones to check for roof damage, reducing the use of ladders on the job. Farmers are using drones for crop dusting, irrigation, and surveying. And they can be automated to fly in coordinated swarms for specific tasks that require heavier loads. They're also used in very specific use cases. There's a drone used in Ottawa, Ontario, to help reduce the number of geese on beaches. Not exactly the expected work of a superhuman technology, but a friendly neighborhood drone has many uses. Major companies are using these machines for local deliveries, such as packages, and of course, pizza. So whether you're considering drones for creating the next blockbuster action film, helping to save lives, or delivering the tastiest slice in town, drones are a major part of the world of technology. Drones are already a part of your life. The next time you're watching a movie, see if you can figure out which shots used a drone for filming.